Oh no, I'm ready. I've got my game face on. I'm ready to just start the video like, welcome to mobile development using React Native for iOS and Android. What? We're on? Oh, hey, welcome. Welcome to the first video series of mobile development with React Native, which will allow for us to use it on iOS and Android, which means we'll be able to utilize your React skills and with those React skills, be able to actually build an iOS app or an Android app, or both. It's completely up to you. Some of the prerequisites that you'll actually need for this will be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, you will need those React fundamental skills from the previous series, so you'll be able to actually find that. Just go to the videos, or you can find the playlist right on the actual channel. Okay, so this is the first introductory video, okay, and what we'll actually be doing is going over the fundamentals. Right now, I have two simulators up. We will not start anything for this video, but I believe in the next video, right? The next video? Yeah. In the next video, we'll actually walk over the environment, take a look at how similar it is to actually React, and we'll take a look and see exactly what we can do to build mobile development, or actually build mobile apps. So let's see what we got here. Oh, there's one of our simulators here. That's for Android, and of course, this one here for iOS. So, and if you're looking in the background, you can kind of see some of the components already, but don't worry about that. Today's the introduction to the video, okay? Subscribe, like, comment in the actual comment section, and you definitely want to hit those notifications on because you do not want to miss the next mobile app as part of this actual series, okay? Okay, Mr. Stack out. We're building for Android and iOS using React Native. Talk with you later. Bye. How was that? Okay. There's more? No more? Okay, well, cut the camera.